That one our problem. That one, I said they want to Big Brother for Nigeria when they people want to go for the house. I want to go tell everybody, Big Brother, what is that? They want to tell us, but you know what I love fast. My friends don't talk out. Now the Igbo people. Igbo when people that sing song, and they don't know what I think say, no. Even at the song now, God save them. If already they sell bread for machine. No one song. After the radio, play the blues, the blues, Igbo boy carry on. After the reggae, play the blues, Chineke. Make you do it, make you do as I do. Oyoma, enjoy yourself, baby boo. My brother, even your boo get it boo. Igbo song and the simplest song, the chorus and the verse are the same thing. If you hear the verse and the chorus, you cannot differentiate. Not only the tone they change. Hear chorus. Wonderful, marvelous, answers of my God that he made. Blessed be thy name. And wonderful, marvelous, and the ones of my God. Blessed be thy name. Verse 1. Wonderful, marvelous, and the ones of my God. What is the difference? You don't see whether they go back to verse. They go here in the book of Psalm 23. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not. That one they know. The one they don't know. In the book of Ezekiel chapter 4, they have forgotten. Anyway, chapter 4. The book of Ezekiel chapter 4. That children of the moon chapter 4. When I say Ezekiel, you will say chapter 4. Ezekiel, Daddy. What did they chapter 4? How can you be in chapter 4? See, as you and your wife sit down, Igbo people go there. They go jealous because any Igbo song you go see husband for their mind they sing different song. Now guys, like the same thing. Mama Okoro they take high note, Papa Okoro they take low note, confuse the church. Mama Okoro will just start. I was just in my house, so I was chicken and it go husband. Brother, you chicken and it go. Hey, brother, can you check out yesterday, my sister was coming home. Yesterday, another sister was coming home. Husband, yesterday, my sister was coming home. Coming home. Mama, when he was coming home, he was knocking. Call. The following minute, we hear bing, bing, bing. Husband, call. Bing, bing, bing. Bing, bing, bing. You not ready for me now? You have my stuff, have you? Governor, now you send to me. I cannot lie. You see, when I come, I saw the airport. God bless you. God bless cross you. But you say, I don't lie. I travel. And then I say for abroad, they get airports too. And just the way that they function different from the way Nigeria airports they function. And I'll explain to you. Once you learn Heathrow Airport, the way that they talk to you, good evening, sir. Are you going to Manchester? Yes. Follow me, please. I say, why should they Lagos? For our own MM2 for Lagos, everybody diverse. From outside, one person will shout. If you're not traveling, go back. If you're not traveling, go back now. Can I say, what are you about? Why are you shouting at us? They are very proud that they are not flights for that London. The girl voice is sexy. Go here. Attention, please. All passengers from British, and because they come with echo, all passengers from British Airways should please proceed for boarding. We go back our back, they go, boarding. I don't know who they are meant to. Whether they get the problem, or the voice, or the microphone, or the speaker, there is a problem. Because you won't come here in Igbo, you come mess up the English. MM2, wait till the hear that. Intention, please. Intention to do what? What is your intention in life? You will hear all passengers from first no airline to get the Chisco bus outside, plane don't shoot. Okay, if you don't enter business class for you, me at the enter economy, man and business. The way they will come business class is different. We have seat number 1A, economy 62B. People have to be an open people you come down from this flight, but come in business class. Do you care for rice? Small jobs, big jobs, which one you want chop? I can't give you we biscuit and cake, they can't give you 4. Give it to your colleagues on the road. Somebody can say, I'm not connected. Do I work here? Do I really work here? Sir, they are not your pass by the pilot. Say you don't say it till today. You know the year we think pilots they talk. You will not say it now. Was that plane take off and the seatbelt sign is off, just hear there you go. Don't you tell I don't know. All of us will play will be like this. If you fly Ethiopia Airways, you know they speak English, you go here, Kubura to Bulgaria. You wait till they Kubura you. Now this is your annoying part. You just say, oh, we're landing at about. So you don't know. Do you have them now? Do you have them now? Make us still wait. Hey, Father, let me not see anything from him. Let me not see you. We don't know what's going on. Sir, abroad, if you see songs of those days and songs of these days, which one makes sense first? Don't get me get experience and a choke ready. This one makes sense. Those days, after the sleep, that you cannot deny that back in those days when you saw mommy, you can just be like, hello, it's me, you. I can see it in your eyes. I can see it in your smile. As long as they smile, I don't know how she will do. Oh, you're gonna make me shy. After Nigerian girl now, hello, it's me you looking for? You lost? You don't know where you go? And you can tell that when you when you're on your wedding anniversary now, mommy will just enter house, see flowers, see violin guys. Governor will just say, I wanna know what makes you smile. Then they say, oh, now you're see what they follow to see your for your say exactly nowadays, but poor people, how you go feel if you enter house money, you go to that you can't when you chat one, I'm ready for the night. I'm ready for the night. Come look at the guy. No! If that is your friend mommy, that you go down and say, I swear by the moon and the stars in the sky, I'll be there, baby. I'm going to say, do you apology song from Nigeria now like this song? Monica, no be today. You don't fight, you don't do it. I'm not going to pursue you, man. I'm going to change my ways. I'm going to reduce the banana. I'm not even stopping the banana. I'm only reducing it.